I guess it's time to turn on the TV. Check out the news. Put on WCTR. That makes sense. Welcome back to WCTR. This is the news. First time running in over 15 years on TV because, well, we don't really give a fuck anyways, so this is Leanne 4J on WCTR. Okay. Over in Los Santos, there is a rival war going on between the Ballas and Vagos. So that's great. And the weather, it's pretty much just your regular daytime thing, I guess. Nothing too different than what it would usually be. In foreign news, the Ballas and Russians are currently making a deal over down in the docks area, and in other news, the Ballas have taken over all of Grove Street family's territory, which sucks because, well, I actually had a thing for the Grove Street families. I thought they were cool. But, guess they're down. And in other gang news, the San Fierro Triads and San Fierro Rifa are making a grand plan to go in and take over the Four Dragons Casino over in Las Venturas, which isn't great because that's probably one of the biggest casinos in the entire state of San Andreas. And in other foreign news, the Russians are invading the southeastern side of San Fierro, like toward the outskirts area over in the countryside. They got a few spy boats set up on the outskirts of the city, so around the countryside area where there's a river and all that. And they're pretty much just spying on us anyways. So, in other news, we've got rumors that a new country exists over in heaven called Everything Land, which is odd because we've never heard of that before. And reports have come in that country's very great. It's infinitely bigger and better than any other country in the entire game and all that cool stuff. So it's pretty much just a better version of the real world. And we interrupt regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details and information will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Fierro Police Department and the San Andreas government and all police departments in San Andreas. At approximately 14:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Nothing but a cheap thing, baby.
Indian time. A war has begun with the Ballas and Vagos. The Ballas and Vagos have initiated a world war with every gang in San Andreas. It is reported that gang wars are starting everywhere in San Andreas and surrounding areas, and it is giving attention to the military. The military has gotten involved with this war, and they have joined up with the Ballas, who surrendered to the military and joined the Everything Nadians. So now, the Everything Nadians and the other good people are going to be fighting against the bad people. So now this has turned into a holy war with good versus evil. All evil forces have joined up against all the holy forces, and it has now become a world war. A lot of other holy wars have started in other areas as well, such as the outskirts of Gore City and other surrounding areas in Goreland. San Andreas is about to be completely destroyed. All residents living in San Andreas are advised to help the holy forces and win the battle. This battle is extremely intense and will cause significant damage to any surrounding areas. Also, the Everything Canadian government launched a nuke that is going to hit Goreland in the next 15 to 20 minutes. Repeating, the Everything Canadians launched a nuclear bomb or nuclear missile that is going to hit Goreland in the next 15 minutes. Radiation and fallout will be spreading thousands of miles from the explosion. It might even spread into San Andreas, meaning parts of Las Venturas and Los Santos will be hit with numerous and copious amounts of radiation and fallout. If you are in the East Los Santos area and any other surrounding areas in the East Los Santos area, south of if you are anywhere in East Los Santos that is anywhere near the highway, you are advised to seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If you are in the outer edge of Las Venturas towards the beachside area.
Hey, yo, you dropped a bomb on me.
For the beachside areas, you are advised to seek shelter and do the same. Any surrounding areas within 100 miles of any area that is listed as a nuclear target, you are advised to evacuate the area immediately. These areas will be absolutely destroyed by the nuclear missile, as the shockwave will spread thousands, if not tens of thousands of miles and kilometers away from the detonation site, meaning that parts of Los Santos, San Fierro, and Las Venturas will be completely eradicated off the map. All residents in these cities and any other areas in San Andreas are advised to evacuate. If you are in the areas that are advised to seek shelter, you should stay on the shelter. Remember, you only have less than 15 minutes to evacuate or seek shelter depending on whatever you're going to do. All areas in San Andreas will be absolutely eradicated off the map if you don't evacuate or seek shelter. The Everything Canadian government and other holy forces will be helping with evacuation procedures to evacuate the citizens. For now, our advice to you is to just evacuate. Get out as far as you can from any big urban area, as the urban areas are most likely to be hit with nukes and bombs. Move to the countryside immediately. Repeating, move to the countryside immediately. All urban areas will be absolutely demolished. Areas like Montgomery, Dillmore, and other small towns are viable options. The countryside with no real housing or living spaces is recommended, but small towns are also a good idea. Do not go to small towns near big urban areas or outskirts of big cities. These areas will be absolutely destroyed and you will not be alive. The Everything Canadian government, military, and other forces have blocked off these big cities and outskirts of big cities. If you live approximately 100 miles from any big city, you are advised to evacuate the area immediately. San Andreas will be absolutely destroyed by missiles. If you are in the countryside, good for you. If you are in a small town away from big cities, good for you. If you already live in the tiny towns or you live in the countryside, good for you. That's a good thing. Because you're not going to get absolutely bombed. The Everything Canadian government and all other forces in the holy side of things are setting up evacuation shelters for those who fail to evacuate the big cities within time. When evacuating, bring all the essential supplies, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery power or hand crank radio with extra batteries. Same for seeking shelter. Bring whatever you can with you. Evacuate now. Repeating. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. Repeating. Evacuate now. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. Local programming has ceased at this time. Evacuate now. Repeating. Evacuate now. Oh crap. Okay. Alright. Let's get out of here. There's no more time to waste. Alright, I need to steal a car. Doesn't matter what car, just find one and steal it. It's the point of Grand Theft Auto, right? It's to steal cars and shit. I need a fast car, like yours, for example. Oh, your car would be great. Perfect.
I'm having this.
I need to go to the countryside immediately. Let's do WCTR. Oh shit. I gotta alert the homies. Nah, they know about it. Alright, just get out of San Fierro. This city's too big. It'll get bombed. We're going underground, which is great, but it's an open space, so it doesn't matter. To get hit by a car. Alright. I should have found the highway real quick. I think I should have stayed in my house. They should probably say do not take the highways out into the country. Which I bet they probably did, I just didn't listen. But I don't care. I need to get out of here somehow and go in the area. We're in the outskirts. Let's go. Move out of the way, you stupid idiots. Yes, everyone's evacuating. In their own time, of course. You never say never, am I right? I'm just leaving. Emerging. There's the Grant Bridge over there. Oh no. I barely tapped their car, they're chasing me. Please tell me. I'm not even close to the highway now, aren't I? No, I'm going to the countryside, which is great, but we're still pretty close to the city. I think I'm gonna head over to Mount Chiliad or some shit. I don't think they would do that. Move out of the way, you stupid cops!
Where we at?
Your police chief, that's just great. Police chief suck. Bro, I never did anything wrong. All I did was tap your car. I didn't mean to. Under the road, I just hit that cop. My bad. You should have jumped out of the way. We're getting chased by a cop. That's not good. That's not good. The cop is chasing us. We're in San Fierro with a San Fierro license plate. Makes sense. Everyone else probably wants to have a license plate in San Fierro. That makes no sense.
Take my medication.
There's not sure yet. I see it. We're going. I'm just driving as fast as I can. We only have 15 minutes to do this, which, isn't really that great. It's not a lot of time to really go anywhere. It's probably going to take us like 20 hours. Not another motorcycle. That guy's going to shoot at me. Alright, we're on the highway. We're on the highway. Oh crap. I should probably be able to turn down the heat sheet. I don't want to get shot at. Move out of the way, you stupid idiot. Everyone's trying to get on the highway. Nobody's on the highway. We're on the outskirts of San Fierro. Let's go. We exited the city, actually. That's great. Let's do it. Let's be safe, right? Or at least I would say it should be. And it could be too close to San Fierro. We might get hit with some radiation or some shit. Which really isn't great, but, you know, it's fine. Getting hit with radiation is my thing, you know. And getting off the highway. Oh, I missed my turn. Move out of the way. I'm not sure what's interesting here. This is what I like to call climbing Mount Chiliad. Yes, I am climbing Mount Chiliad. Have I not climbed this mountain? We're too close to this San Fierro. We need to go to... I don't want to go to Angel Pine. There's so much country over here. Literally. There's so much more over here in Las Venturas, but hey. Fuck it. Shit. Why did I do that? Well, bye-bye, you stupid sunrise idiot car thingy. Guess we're in the water. I mean, this is safe enough, right? Look, fishies. This is safe enough from the nuclear explosion. Boom! That was a huge kaboom. Oh shit. The tower just got knocked over. Shit! That bridge just got a boom. It just got taken out. That bridge just collapsed. Time to RPG myself. You just barely survived the explosion, didn't you? That deal?